How to manage NFTs with CLV Wallet. CLV Wallet is capable of sending, holding, and receiving NFTs. Sending NFT. Before sending the NFTs in CLV Wallet, you will need the account address of the recipient and a sufficient balance of the network native token on Ethereum, ETH, on Binance Smart Chain, BNB, etc. in your account to cover the gas fee. After that, let's send the NFTs with just a few clicks using the CLV Wallet. From the landing page of your wallet, make sure you're in the account from which you want to transact, and hit the Collectibles tab. Next, please choose the NFT you want to send with the right network. Hit the Send button on the top right of the NFT detail page. Now you need to input the public address of the recipient and click the Continue button. Enter the amount of tokens you want to send and click Continue. Now you're presented with the estimated gas fees of your transaction. Double-checking the recipient address before clicking Confirm to proceed with the transaction is generally a good idea. Holding NFTs. You can see your NFTs in CLV Wallet Mobile and Extension. Receiving NFTs. To receive the NFTs to your CLV Wallet, you will simply need to send your address of one of your accounts in CLV Wallet to the sender and wait for him to submit a transaction pointed to your address. From the landing page of your wallet, make sure you're in the account from which you want to receive NFTs, and hit the Receive column by clicking the primary button in the middle bottom of the screen. Next, please choose the right network you want to receive the NFTs. You can copy the address or save the two-dimensional code of the address, sending them to the sender. Trading NFTs. You simply need to connect OpenSea, Rarible or other NFT marketplaces by using CLV Wallet, then follow the guides in these marketplaces.